Hey everyone, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a brand new Ford Bronco. This vehicle, a lot of customers get up in the morning and the car is no longer there. Cars get stolen left and right. So we have installed here the best anti-theft system in the market, the IGLA pin code system. I'm going to show you how it works. So in this case I actually have the key to the vehicle, but let's say someone made a copy of your key or somehow got a hold to your key. They're able to get into the car. They should be able to just simply start the vehicle, there's the push button, and drive. But as you can see, the car won't start. Now I am holding the brake, the car won't start. Try again, car won't start. I'm gonna enter special pin code that I created for this video. The code can be changed numerous times without limitation. Very simple to change it. The owner of the vehicle will get instruction how to change it, and can be a combination of buttons between 3 presses to 20 presses. Could be 1 button, could be 5 buttons, could be more. The code I made right now is again using the factory control, so it all looks factory. There's no keypad that somebody can copy. So I'm gonna press the set button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna get a confirmation. And now all I have to do is simply press the brake and I can start the car. Next question we have a lot of people is, does my remote starter still works? So let me show you how the remote starter works, because we showed you that we are blocking the car from starting. So does the remote starter works? So in this system the IGLA has a dual function. It does not allow the vehicle to start when you sit in the car, but your remote starter I'm gonna lock the car. We have the car running. So now I should be able to simply go inside the car and drive, correct? So let's go inside, not entering my code. I'm not gonna enter the code, I'm gonna press the push button. So the car is running. Okay, so the car is running now. What are we doing? Is the car just been bypassed? The system has been bypassed. Let me shift the car into gear. As soon as I shift the car into gear, the car died. Try to restart, and that's not gonna happen. The car won't restart. So the system has a dual protection, which allows you to start the vehicle remotely, still enjoy your remote starter, but the car is still protected. Just enter my code, and I can start the car and I can drive. Obviously, if I don't want the car to shut down after remote starter, all I had to do is enter the code before I shift the car to gear, and the car will stay running and I will be able to drive away. The IGLA Anti-Theft System is available for a variety of cars. If you want to protect your car, find the local installers or find us at Car System Installation. IGLA pin code anti-theft, and it's going to be the best decision you have to protect your car. Thank you and have a great day.